No more exporting your Xleads lists into the CRM. Now we have a brand new feature. With a click of a button, you can export your leads into the contacts with one click. No more mapping, no more going into the contacts and trying to figure out how the mapping works or tagging. The importing and exporting on Xleads has finally been solved. Guys, what is going on? Zach Ginn here, and I'm excited to announce that the exporting and importing, when it comes to exporting your leads tab and importing in the contacts tab, it's a thing of no more. It's all done for you here. So we're breaking this all down today on how to use this new tool and really what this means for you and how it makes Xleads so much easier to use. So as you guys probably know, Xleads is a combination of our Go High Level built on platform. It's a combination of our CRM that is built on Go High Level with our leads tab, and now we've been able to marry them even closer together where you can just click a button after you export a list and throw it right into your contacts without really doing any work at all. Now, if you've been an Xleads user for a little bit, you know that you have to export and import and map the properties, which frankly can be a pain in the butt. We have it done all for you right now. So let's get into it and let's break it all down. So how it works is you have your regular Xleads tab right here. So what we're going to do is go to your leads tab right here, and you are going to either import a list. You're going to go out here and custom build your own list. So if you want to go out here and do Columbus, Ohio, you can go out here and choose your list, which is really cool. And you can go out here and filter like any other data, right? And just do vacant properties, build your own list how you want, or import a list that you want here, and you can go import a data file, right? But let's go out here and just pull our own small list. So let's click vacant properties. Let's add zombie on here just so it's a small little list. And we got 47 properties, fine, right? We can filter it even harder here. Max value 400,000, single family only properties, ownership length 4 years minimum. We can put 70% equity, right? We can filter this data set out to like, let's call it 14 properties. Now we're going to see the results here, and we're going to add this to our existing list. So call it our Ohio list, whatever you want to call it, right? Go out here and create your list. It's going to be right here. Now, traditionally, to go skip trace this list and put it into the contacts tab so we can call and text these leads, we'd have to go out here, press export, add lead trace, add the data, get it downloaded on our computer, and then thrown and sent into the contacts tab. Now that's a pain in the butt. So what we have now is our export to contacts section. So we put export to the Ninja CRM. We're going to change it to export to the contacts section. If you click this button right here, what it's going to do is you're going to connect your Go High Level Xleads account to your already leads account inside of Xleads. So you're going to connect your Ninja CRM right here. Just press that. You're going to be putting through our lead connector. So you're going to log into the CRM one more time, which is going to be our info right here. We're going to log in, get our support code. We re-logged in and connected our account. So right here, we're going to install our Xleads connector app. So this is a Go High Level app that Xleads now has. And we're going to press next, connect it to our sub account, which is right here. And now, boom, it's all connected. So that means now the CRM built on Go High Level is now connected to the leads tab. And this is pretty cool, which means they're connected now. So all we have to do is just add a custom tag and we can put it into the contacts. Now there are two main custom tags that you can have here on Xleads. One is just the simple power dialer. So you can just do power dialer. One is also SMS blaster and automatically has automations. As you know, if you go to Xleads right here, you go to your automations. If you want to go cold call somebody, you go into the automations, go to power dialer, and you can go right here and press contact tab. And you know that the tag power dialer will actually go out here and add it to the dialer. You also know for texting on the automations tab, if I go to SMS on SMS bulk trip blaster, that the tag SMS blaster will go out here and blast it out. So those are the two main tags if you want to call or text on this list. Now you can also custom tag it. So I'm going to put SMS blaster on here for this list. And I'm also going to add my April 2026 marketing right here, right? And I'm going to put my Ohio zombie properties list, just as many tags as I want on here. Then I'm going to press export to Ninja CRM. It's going to export all the necessary data into the contacts tab. So we go into contacts and we can see that they are going to be all right here. So I have some filters on. So let me clear all my advanced filters out of here, and all the properties that we imported pop up right here, all 14. Now it's tagged April 2026. We can click on one of these addresses. We see the phone numbers on here, the additional phone numbers, and all the information. The contact source is a lead pipes export 2, and all the necessary data on the property pops up right here. Now, there's only one caveat on here that I need to mention, that all the leads that you import from the leads into contacts is going to be on do not disturb, which means you're not going to be able to call or text these leads automatically when you import it in. The reason is pretty clear. I did this on purpose. So basically, when you import the list, you need to manually turn off on D&D if these people have opted in, where you're allowed to go out here and reach out to them. So if you want to go out here and call these people, what you're going to have to do is create your own automation, which is really simple to do, and take them off the D&D list if you're doing 5, 10,000 at a time. If these people have not opted in legally, I must tell you that keep them on D&D. But it's really up to you what you want to do. You're more than happy. We just provide the data and we have the software here. If you decide you want to go call these people, it's up to you to do whatever you want. Again, this is just a CRM. It's just a tool. I'm assuming these people are opted in. It's up to you to opt these people in yourself, or if they haven't opted in, you can do whatever you want from there. If you look here on the workflow automations, I made a brand new remove DND automation here, which will make your life so much better. So pretty much, again, this is up to you to make. I'm not going to make this for you. This is only for you to remove the DNDs for yourself, or if you choose to. But if you press remove DND right here, this is an automation I made where pretty much when the contact gets created, you'll enable or disable the DND for all channels. And so pretty much when you import it in, it'll work. If you trigger the automation, it'll work. So if you want to make this absolutely from scratch, you can press create a workflow, start from scratch. And what we're going to do here is you are going to remove DND, and we're just going to make this a test one. And all you do is add a trigger, and we are going to put contact created, and we'll select contact type equals customer lead, and you're there. So right when the contact is a lead, you can throw it in there. But honestly, for me, I like to just have no filters on there. So let's reset this really quick. So added trigger, contact created, save the trigger. And what you're going to do is just disable DND right there. So if you want to go back and go out here and select action, search DND, enable disable DND, outbound DND, disable DND for all channels, and you save that action, you publish it, you save it, and now you can manually remove the DND by yourself. So pretty much how this is going to work is if you go into contacts right here, they're all going to have, when you're imported from the leads tab into here, they're all going to have DND enabled because we don't know if they are opted in or not. You need to do it yourself. So if it says DND all channels, these are all obviously not opted in. What we can do is you can decide if you want select all and trigger an automation, call it your test, and you can do remove DND, put it right there, add to automation. Let's just do the one to test it out, see if that works. Press add all the automations, give it a second, and boom, right there, they all got removed really quick. And then from there, the DND will be removed from all these properties, and you can call and text them, add a tag SMS if you want, and they'll be able to be SMS'd right there. So you can go here, add these tags, add the SMS blaster tag, whatever you want to do with these said properties. So guys, that is how easy it is to go out here and start using these automations of exporting the tabs right from the leads tab into your contacts so you can have success wholesaling real estate with the best software ever, Xleads. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.